Welcome to Midwest Technical Inspection's virtual seminars. The seminar you're watching today is installing Fotosizer. This class is designed for those reps that have to resize their photos to get the images onto their cases. The first thing we recommend people do is you want to make sure you've got your photos already on your computer off your, whether it's a tablet, smartphone, however you're getting those photos in the field. You want to get them onto your computer so we can actually start working with them before we install the program. A good idea would be to go to your photos or your file folders down below. What a lot of reps will do is they will set up, it's really up to you how you choose to go about it, but a lot of reps will set up in each day they're in the field, they'll create a folder for each day they're in the field. The idea behind Fotosizer is going to take all the pictures from that day or that folder that you've designated and resize them in the same destination or a different folder. For simplicity purposes, we recommend inspectors create a second folder to put your resized photos into to make it easier to navigate when it goes to attach them into the inspection site. Let's create a folder now. So we have a folder there, resized photos. So that's where we're going to put our photos when we're done. Let's go back to the inspector website next, and we'll direct you through how to install the program. All right, so you're inside your inspector account, you're in your case list. On the far left-hand side of our menu, there is going to be an option for module in dark blue with a sub-menu called the library. The library is where our Fotosizer install is nestled. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the library to the downloads menu. The downloads menu has an option for Fotosizer. Go ahead and select Fotosizer now. And you'll be directed to do some steps here. And it's going to ask you to select a language, obviously pick English. And then it's going to go through the automatic setup wizard. So hit next. You're gonna have to agree to a licensing agreement for this. The version we're giving you is a free version, so you're not having to pay for it. So just agree to the user license and move on to next. And then it's going to tell you where it's putting it when we're done. No big deal. It's a very small program we're installing. The last step before we move on to install it, I wanted to uncheck create quick launch bar shortcut. And then to make your life easier, we're going to uncheck automatically check for updates. If you leave that check mark, when you go to install this program the first time, it's going to want to update it immediately. The window you're going to see will look a little different and may have some adware or different things on it. The version we're giving you by default does not have it on there and it's stripped out. So let's stick with this version for now and hit install. And then we're going to go ahead and run the program now, and it will bring up the your Fotosizer window. The next steps we're going to do is actually configure Fotosizer for the first time we're going to use it. The idea behind Fotosizer is you're adding a folder to the actual program to resize. So for now, let's go ahead and click add folder on the left-hand side of the screen. And we'll pick that folder from Wednesday. And it's going to take all the photos that are in that folder and put them like in like a holding pattern so we're able to go ahead and resize them. The next few steps we're doing are going to be done this single install the first time we use it only, and ever after you will not have to change it again. Right hand side underneath settings, there's a blue header called resize settings. Underneath resize settings, we want to choose the box for preset size. Within preset size, we'd like to choose 640 by 480 to ensure we are at the correct size for the website to allow it. We can skip the second blue header optional settings. We're going to move down to the third blue header, destination settings. The purpose destination settings holds is you're telling the system when you're done running Fotosizer, where are these photos going? So we're going to go into, we're going to hit that that folder icon and choose our resized photos folder. And hit OK. And then basically all we're going to do is there's a little green start button at the bottom of the screen. You click start, and it's going to take about 20 to 30 seconds to go through all the photos you've selected. And basically what this is doing is it's taking the photos that were in the original folder from June 21st and resizing them and throwing them in the resized photos folder. So I'm able to access that folder when I go to attach them to the website, order the photos for the website tickets. Congratulations, we've just resized our first set of photos, and we've also completed the installation of Fotosizer. Thank you for watching this video.